All right, we're gonna try this. All right. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if this is recording or not. Is this recording? Okay. Is this recording? All right. 1, 2, 3. See if this works. Nope. Did not follow me. Why are you not following me? Alright. And this bike is heavy. Alright, so clearly it's not going to follow me. Let me try to recalibrate. Where'd it go? Where the hell did it go? I hear it. Oh, it's right above me. Alright. Alright, so I tried to fly my drone for the first time and get it to follow me, but having some difficulties with that because apparently, I don't know, it doesn't have the internet capability or something, so it has to stay closer to my phone, I guess. I don't know. It's I'll have to figure that out. It's all part of the learning process, I guess. But that just means that you know, I can pull over and fly it on things that I want to see, but I'll have to manually fly it. I don't think I can get it to follow me. Which is a bummer. Oh, washboardy. Let's see. Alright, let's get some drone footage here and see how that works. Okay, so it turns out I suck at flying a drone, but yeah, I don't know. It's like you gotta practice with it. I'm sure I'll get better with practice, but and also, you know, more expensive drones probably have better user functions, like better user experience. Yeah, I don't know. I just thought the follow me would work, but I don't know if it needs the internet or not, and I need to figure out. I don't know. My phone gave me a. It told me that I needed to change some setting if I wanted to connect without internet, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But wow, is it beautiful out here. Yeah, hopefully if I get this drone stuff figured out, I will be able to make some better videos that show, I don't know, just where I'm riding a little better. Because I would also say, like, you know, like when I watch the videos back that I make, it's like it doesn't really show how awesome it is in real life, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna go behind the dam up here and see if I can get some more drone footage. But again, it's just gonna get better with experience, I guess. And there aren't too many videos on YouTube or the internet about, you know, the settings on this thing. I don't know if this is a new unit and there's just no, I don't know. I'm kind of behind the learning curve because there's no videos to watch about it. It's got the one that the company put out, and I've watched that one a couple times, but it doesn't do it. It doesn't answer the questions that I have. Alright, ABS is off. Yeah, so this is July 18th of 2025. It's 95 degrees back here, and this is Bartlett Lake Dam. Now there is a campground back here, but it was closed up until May of 2025 because there was a fire back here, as you can see from right here. Well, I was going to put the drone up back here, but it looks like there's a no trespassing and a security. So I don't really want to mess with that. And it's getting hot. I might put on my cool vest and just head home. It's 8 o'clock. I left the house at 6:30. Road closed. Yeah, there's a campground right over here, but I don't think this fire was caused by campers. I mean, it was probably a lightning strike. I have no idea. But this burned last year, I think. Yeah, we'll turn around here. But what a shame. This was a nice campground too, because you got the river right there, and I don't know, there's like 15 campsites, so there's not that many, but yeah, it's kind of a nice secluded area. Not too far from the lake. Alright. I took my camera and I mounted it to my handlebars instead of my helmet, so we'll see what kind of video this produces. It might be too shaky, I don't know. This allows me to look around without shaking the camera all over the place, but it might be too shaky on the handlebar like this, I don't know. I'll tell you, this whole making videos while riding business is a lot harder than you think it is. Especially if you want to do different camera angles and fly a drone and everything else. So the people that do it on YouTube that are really good at it, you should definitely thumbs up their video, because it's a lot of effort. It's much easier to just get out here and ride without having to worry about all this other stuff. Yeah, the handlebar attachment might be better for on-road video. But it's just after 8 o'clock. It's 100 degrees already, and I got my wet vest on. I mean, it's helping, but I don't want to be out here much longer. It's going to get really hot. It's supposed to be a high of 104 today, which means it'll probably be a high of 106. Yeah, I think this camera's too heavy for this off-road. It's moving the mount. Since we're here, there's a good restaurant down here at Bartlett Lake called The Cove. They got really good food. Yep, good food. Yeah, the camera mount's even moving around on the road, so I'm gonna have to find another way to tighten that up, I guess. I was gonna go down to Horseshoe Lake today, but it's just too hot to mess around. You're okay in the early morning, but man, it's 8:30, it's already hot.